Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Blinzador Antifungal Spray review. So, you might be wondering what is this spray that you may be hearing online. Well, Blinzador here is a spray on antifungal treatment for your feet and nails, meant as an easier alternative to the thick creams and ointments people normally use for stuff like athlete's foot or discolored, thickened nails. Now, the main active ingredient is undecylinic acid, which is a legit antifungal compound, and it's rounded out with lavender oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and menthol. Now, a couple of sites here, or the website here, also throws in berberine and juniper berry here, depending on in this case, what website you're visiting. Now, it's built to be fast drying and odorless, so no greasy residue sitting on your skin. And it's made in a US-based, FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility with natural, non-GMO, gluten-free ingredients. Now, that's according to the website. Now, how to exactly use this sprays here? Now, using it's pretty simple. So you just spray it directly onto the area you're dealing with, whether that's the nail itself or trickier spots like under the nail or in between the toes, or in this case, you just let it absorb without needing to rub it or wipe anything off. Now, it's meant to become part of your daily routine rather than a one and done fix. Now, since the site all describe it as something you build for results with over consistent use. Now, your best bet here is to check the actual label on the bottle you'll get for the specific frequency they recommend. Now, since the details isn't super consistent here, so that's why checking the details or instructions first is highly recommended. Now, as for the pricing itself, well, currently there are different bundles that you get in here. You have the two bundles, or which is the basic bundle. You have the bundle, 3 bottles, and the most popular bundle here, which is 6 bottles. Now, for the 2 bottles bundle here, which is a 60-day supply, you could get 1 bottle for $79, which totals to $158. Now, you can get the 3 bottles here for $69 per bottle, and the 6 bottle bundle here, which is $49 per bottle, which totals to $294. Now, if you do have any questions, or if you are wondering what are the return policies and what are things that you may need to know regarding the product, you could also reach out to them by going to their contact page at the very bottom here or visiting their FAQ. Now, if you have any questions, go and click on contact here, and from here you could go ahead and just reach out to them if the contact page is going to be available. Now, if you are planning on trying using this product here, it is highly recommended that you consult a doctor first and see if it's actually safe, especially if you are pregnant or if you're dealing with other medical conditions that also affects your skin. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.